Hello, my name is Lucio Vasquez, and today I'm going to show you the Dyson AIRWRAP that I purchased for my girlfriend. And I figured since maybe people aren't really buying these and they're very rare, this is going to be an unboxing video. So if you too feel like buying one, well, this is your opportunity to see the complete package. So this is the bag, and this is the bag that the Dyson AIRWRAP will come in. And in case, this is a very good visual representation of what it looks like and all the attachments that come with it. Now, in case you're wondering exactly what it is, well, it's a hairdryer. It doesn't look like a hairdryer you conventionally buy, but believe me, it's a hairdryer. And the concept is that you have the detachable head, and then you have the attachments, and the airflow will come through the attachments to give you the style that you want. The appeal of this, of course, is that my girlfriend was planning on buying a professional hairdryer for about $400 that wouldn't do exactly everything that she wanted. She'd still have to buy the brushes, she still have to buy everything. This Dyson was about $600 altogether. So for an extra $200, you'll get a complete unit, which may very well be the very last hairdryer she has to buy for a very long time because it'll work so well. If you purchase it, you have the chance to get either 3 attachments or 5 attachments. 3 attachments will run you approximately $450. 5 attachments will run you about $500. And then with taxes and everything else, it comes out to about $601 for the complete package. So this is the box that comes in. The first thing they're gonna do is they're gonna give you the attachments. So here they are. You have first of all, you'll have the AIRWRAP style, so you can do the curls, and then you'll have the volumizer, and then you have, of course, the brush head. The brush head is either for thin hair or thick hair, whichever you want. So we'll open these up individually in a little bit, but what I want to do is I want to go ahead and show you the actual product itself. This is the box. It feels like it's empty, and I think it's because they went ahead, yes, you have a carrying case. So you'll get this really awesome carrying case with it. And now it's time for the actual product itself. When you order this through the Dyson store, they put a lot of time and effort into the packaging. You obviously just don't get just the wrap itself, but the hairdryer itself, but you actually get the box and everything. So the box comes in a very boutique style carrying case. Put that to the side. And then you have the option of getting the monogram with it. This is very nice, very upscale. So there is the carrying case. It has Dyson on top of it. You have your choice of the initials that you can put on it. Inside the box itself, it has a magnetic latch. If you open it, you can go ahead and try to get a little paint in on here. You have a very nice lid here. You have some instructions, a very nice foam cover support, and then you have the actual product itself. Now, go ahead and very carefully take the paper off. Oh. That's just a filter element right there. So this is the Dyson, the base of it itself. As you can see, you have the filter element down here, and then you actually have the controls right here. So you have the, it looks like the airflow control, you have the temperature control, and then you have the on and off button itself. Now, you have the head itself, which is a very unique design, and the whole thing just comes together very awesome. So there's your, and then it's on. You have a switch right here to lock it in place. I believe that's actually locked and it's in. Yep, it's in. So when you turn it on, the head here actually acts as the head here actually acts right here as the airflow. and you can just blow dry your hair. I'm sure it's pretty awesome. Take that off, you can put it back in, and then I'll show you the quick attachment. I will go ahead and show you probably what the ladies are interested in, the one to curl your hair. So I'll open the box real quick. And interesting to note is that in one box, you'll actually get 2 attachments. One to go one direction, one to go the other direction. And they fit on a similar style. And then that's it. It just goes in that easy. You turn it on, the airflow comes out, and you can curl your hair. To detach, you just simply pop it out, and you're good. I'll go ahead and show you just one more attachment. I'll show you the brush head. Actually, I'll show you the volumizer, because I think this is all very important, because I know with all the stress we're going through these days, everybody's losing their hair, so everybody's got a volumizer to make it look better. I know I have that issue too. Not to say that I'm probably not going to be using this. I might use it every once in a while. But there's a volumizer. Just fits in like that, and you're good to go. Well, this is a short video. I hope you all enjoyed it. This is what you get for $601.